Welcome back. MAPSA chairperson Sudhir Kandolkar has resigned from the post. He had submitted his resignation on 20th June to the Directorate of Municipal Administration and it has been accepted on Wednesday. While Kandolkar claimed that MAPSA municipality witnessed progress and development under his tenure, MAPSA Jana Jagruti Samiti has slammed this. Samiti claims that recent terms of MAPSA municipality was full of illegalities. Samiti says corrupt chief officers enjoy a long stay at MAPSA municipality while genuine ones are transferred immediately.
MAPSA chairperson has resigned. Thursday is his last day.
When chairperson MAPSA municipality chairpersonचा राजीनामो 20 तारखेर दिल्लो आसा. तो पणजे डायरेक्टर ऑफ म्युनिसिपल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ते दिल्लो आनी फाल्यां म्हणजे ते 7 दिसांनी ते एक्सेप्ट करतात म्हणजे फाल्यां लास्ट डे.
Sudhir Kandolkar claimed that all was well and municipality was flooding with projects and development under his leadership.
राजीनामा दिवपाचें
कारण काय ना हे सगळें बरें चल्लां बरें हितूनच म्हणजे म्हाज्या वाटचा आनी कोणाक एक चान्स जे वॉर्डांनी डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक 2 करोड 20 लाख रुपया आमकां मेळ्ळे ते आमी प्रत्येक वॉर्डांनी सगळ्यांक वांटून घालून प्रत्येक वॉर्डाची जे आमचे 15 वॉर्ड आहा 15 वॉर्डाची कामां आमी हातीन घेतलेली आनी जाल्ली आसा. आयज जी म्हापसा आमची म्युनिसिपालिटीची परिस्थिती आहा ती कायापालट जावन जवळ जवळ 7 करोड 80 लाख रुपया आमचे कडेन आतां एट प्रेझेंट आमचे कडेन आसात.
Meanwhile, MAPSA Jan Jagruti Samiti has alleged illegalities and favoritism of chief officers in MAPSA municipality.
कसलेंच काम सारकें जायना. हांगा फक्त इल्लिगलूच कामां जाता. हांगासले बरे बरे सीओ आसता पळय ते रोखडेच ट्रान्सफर जातात आनी जे पळय करप्ट सीओ आसता पळय तांकां हांगा सगळो टेन्यूर कंप्लीट करपाक दिल्लो आसता. आतांचो प्रेझेंट पळय सीओ आसा हनुमंत तोरस्कर हो एक असो मनीस आसा की तो रिटायर जाल्लो मनीस म्हणजे ह्या सरकारान ताका परत एक्सटेन्शन दिलें आनी हांगा हाडून बसयलो. तो कसो वागता की येस बॉस तांकां कितें सांगता पळय तेजे तो सगळीं कामां करता आनी लोकांची कामां अजिबात तो लक्ष दिना.
Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
The All India Football Federation's proposed conference model for I-League has been shot down by the premier clubs in the country. In a meeting called by the I-League and Federation Cup Committee in New Delhi, all the clubs vehemently opposed the conference model. The AIFF now will most likely keep the tried and tested home and away system. Meanwhile, the AIFF has adopted the English model for Federation Cup on the lines of the FA Cup. The meeting between the I-League and Federation Cup Committee and the representatives from all clubs on Wednesday was a tussle between the AIFF and the clubs over the proposed conference model. The AIFF, in its bid to reduce expenditure, had decided in their previous meeting to adopt the US conference model. Such a model reduces the National League into zonal affairs from where the winners move on to the national round. This model was not acceptable to the clubs and all their representatives voiced collective displeasure over the conference model, forcing the AIFF to back down. The AIFF is now likely to stick to the existing home and away system which has been in place since the beginning of NFL in 1996. I-League will start from September 20th. However, the Federation Cup format has undergone a change and will now be played based on the English FA Cup model. The tournament begins on October 5th. Trying to bring more eyeballs to football, the I-League core committee has suggested bringing in a marquee of famous footballer to clubs from 2014-15 season. The committee also says that from 2017, all I-League club coaches should have a pro license. Bureau Report, Prudent. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.